Okay, you start off showing the packet. This is the $1 Million Mystery. It only takes $6. Then you unfold like so and show the 2 bills. Then you fold them once, fold them twice, turn the 1 over and stick it under the 5, and put both into your hand, and turn your hand over. Now you explain what's about to take place as you reach into your hand and pull out a bill. Drag it to the side and turn your hand over. And now you say, "Did you see which one was which?" Yes. Do the magic and then show they switched places. Ta-da! There's the $1 and there's a 5. Now you say, wouldn't this be more impressive if it went in your own hand or came out of your own hand? You show the bills again, then fold again, once, twice, turn a bill over and put them in their hand, and then they turn their hand downward. Just like that. And stick it. I'll put those there for now. That's their hand. You explain what's about to take place as you reach in and pull the bottom bill, which they will see as the 1. And then you put your hand palm down and take the bill like so. Ask them, did they see it? Then do the magic. Open your hand and show the 5, and then they will open their hand and look and find the 1. All that remains is to put the 1 under the 5, fold them back up into a packet, and put them in your pocket, and you're ready to go for the next time. Hello, my friends. I hope that video was helpful for you. Please be sure to practice, 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 and then go out there and give someone the gift of magic. Have a great time and be amazing.